We'll have a lot of gravel roads that we have just perennial potholes. You've got a pothole here, here, and here. Your motor grader comes down and you put more base on it and you fill these up. We're in the Barnett Shell. We get a lot of trucks. The trucks come in and they just literally take that base right back out of those potholes. What we had done to an old gravel road with lots of potholes in it that you continually have to redo, we ground that up, compacted it, got it good and everything compacted together where everything holds together, and it's just like you put down a new road. You don't have that pothole is not there anymore. You don't have it where you can knock it out. We water that in, we get it good and wet, we compact it back in, and we had no problem with that road anymore. Yes, we'll get a chug hole every once in a while. All roads are going to get some chug holes, but we can do up to 1.5 miles of gravel roads in one day. We don't have near the problem that we had before. And we have a lot of truck traffic on that road. And I think that's a big key of using this. When you grind this back up, lots of water, and your fines in your base, if you got a lot of good fines in your base, which we use a good commercial base, if you got a lot of fines in there, it's like putting Portland or concrete. We don't use Portland. We haven't used any ash, we haven't used anything. We've just done this and really work it real well with lots of water, and it works really great.
This road here was a DBST road, most likely over 20 years old. And we had some bad base failures in a lot of different places. And we used the zipper, of course, that we have got. And it's the way that we do our sections of our road with the zipper and the base failure, which naturally with base you've got to start at the bottom and build yourself back up. In front of the zipper we put what we call crushed limestone. It's like 3/4 crushed limestone. We use that as sort of a soil cement type base. Something that we readily have available to us, and we try to go 10 inches, 12 inches deep. It's according, if we have a bad spot that we've had numerous problems with, we'll throw the crusher run to it and we'll run it 12 inches deep as we possibly can to get it down as low to set that base back up. We do this after we run our zipper. We take the motor grader and we will knock this down, and then when we get through the motor grader we run it's a big spike roller, and what it does, it really packs this down your base. It packs it back. The tighter you can get this base and the tighter you can get it set up, the better off your road is going to be. Also, the spike roller we use, a sheep's foot type spike roller with big drums on it. We try to run our shoulders as much as we can to tighten our shoulders up. Then we use a vibratory drum packer to run over top of it. After that, then we come back naturally with this 56 rock, because we need to open this road back up to traffic as soon as we can. But you can put 5 layers on there, but if you don't fix what's down here, it won't stay. It'll come back, it's going to come back to haunt you. You know, if you got something that you can do in 1.5 hours or 2 hours versus 2 or 3 days, well, you know, it don't take a rocket science to figure this out. If I can save $10,000 over here, and I save $15,000 over here on this next road, well, now I've got $25,000. I can move on another road that I really didn't have the money to do, but now I do.